Here is the part that confuses a lot of people. You can pay your credit card on time and still have a high balance show on your credit report. Why? Because credit card companies usually report your balance around your statement date, not always after your due date. So the score may react to the balance that was captured that day. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Understanding credit utilization and its impact, how high balances can damage your score, optimal utilization ratios for better credit health, effective strategies to reduce your utilization, and timing your payments for maximum benefit. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Statement date. The day your credit card billing cycle closes and your statement is made. Due date. The day your payment must be made to avoid being late. Revolving debt. Debt you can use, pay down, and use again, like a credit card. Installment debt. Debt with a set loan amount and set payment plan. Reported balance. The balance a creditor sends to the credit bureaus. Now, let's jump in. Utilization means how much of your credit limit you are using. If your card limit is $1,000 and your balance is $500, your utilization is 50%. Credit scores look at this because it helps lenders guess risk. A high balance can make it look like you are depending too much on credit, even if you plan to pay it soon. There are two kinds of utilization to watch. Total utilization means all your card balances compared to all your card limits. Individual utilization means each card by itself. For example, you may have low total utilization, but one card is almost maxed out. That one card can still make your profile look riskier. You may have heard, keep credit cards under 30%. That is not a magic number. It is more like a warning line. Under 30% is often better than being high, but under 10% is usually better for score health. The lower the reported balance, the less risky you may look, as long as the account is being used responsibly. The due date is when you must pay to avoid a late payment or interest, depending on your card terms. The statement date is when the billing cycle closes. That is often when the card company creates the balance that may be reported. If you pay after the statement closes, you may avoid being late, but the higher balance may already be on your report. If you want a lower balance to show on your credit report, paying before the statement closes can help. Think of it like cleaning your room before someone takes a picture. The picture does not show what the room looked like yesterday or tomorrow. It shows what it looked like at that moment. Your reported balance works a lot like that.